Liyamhlula udumo ke u-Ishmael, guys. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Genesis from the 30th to the 4th of July 2025 on Monday. A day of reckoning arrives for one powerful man. Fistos and Ishmael celebrate a new business venture while a mega gospel star faces public outrage on Tuesday. Money goes straight to the head of a budding star, while another star gets rejected by fans. How long will Gabriel stick it out in the Tabete home on Wednesday? An unwanted guest finally leaves the Tabete home. Bishop intervenes and stops Bonko's wars. Wendy assigns Mpumi a huge responsibility on Thursday. Before something extraordinary happens, everything falls apart. A mother feels like a failure when her daughter comes back home, and a young budding star fears that his shoes are too big to fill on Friday. Desperate gamble bring hope to a crumbling empire. A powerful truth shatters a woman's world. Why redemption is expensive. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.